And you can, too. I was like, maybe they don't let you do that. Of course they let you do that.
Oh yeah, you can use that crane. Give me a double jump.
Oh boy, okay.
A little more. Can you move it a little more?
Where? This way?
Yeah. There we go.
Okay.
Try spinning it around more. Other way, maybe?
Oh, there's another one over here.
Oh gosh, yeah. Okay, so spin it back over here and then move it into the position over there. Okay. Hurry. Move. There we go. Alright, now I just need to get on top of it. Alright, move it back into the other spot. Oh. Yeah. One bell down.
Pancakes! Ooh.
Would you mind muting the thing again? Mute?
Yeah. Oh. Sorry.
It's okay, the sneeze left.
I will be prepared next time, I think. Oh yeah, there it is.
Sorry about that.
I ate some pancakes, so I was distracted by that. Wow. Hey!
You want to get on?
Oh, sweet. It was kind of creepy that...
Here, can you get off?
Yeah.
Push me, push me.
All the way around.
Oh gosh.
Oh no. Push too hard.
Alright, I'm gonna go try finding the next tower.
Sorry, Buster's licking my hand.
Doing the closer one that's off on the left, too. Whoa, easy, Buster.
Careful, Buster. You're gonna bunk your head. I don't know if I'm going to do the same one as you or not.
There's two on your HUD if you look over. I'm going to the one on the left, the one that you can see now.
Okay.
What's the matter, Buster?
He's like, why are we not playing Tug or a game that I know?
Jump on the big blue target. Nope. That one. Oh!
That's a repel.
Oh, right. You have to spin this thing.
Where am I telling you to? Doesn't seem to want to spin all the way around, or unless I'm...
There you go.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Keep going. Whoa. Alright, your turn. Which color do you need?
Orange. There it is.
Alright, I'm gonna move you up to the top, and now you have to let go. And then I'm gonna move the blue one around, so you have to keep on top while it spins. Gosh. Whew, your camera angles worry me sometimes.
Gotta give you a challenge.
Alright, can you pull that? Ah, there you go. Alright, now pull it.
Oh, that was an easier one.
Yeah.
Relatively. Oh. A snow globe and a snow globe.
That's meta.
It's a water globe.
Alright, on to the last tower. There's a grind rail down there.
Oh, you're too good at the targeting on that.
No, it's just got auto aim. Oh gosh. I threw the snowman.
You're that good.
Didn't mean to be that good. Where are we even going?
I don't know. I thought I was following you.
Here we go.
Oh, good question.
Ah! No!
Oh. Is this another... Wait, what is this?